Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see, we'll be doing Jennie's makeup look from the Kill This Love music video. This is gonna be my take, so I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get into it. So you guys know the drill. Start off with priming the face and moisturize. I'm just going to be listing all the products that I've used on my description box, so if you guys want to check that out, then go ahead. I normally warm up the foundation first on the back of my hand and then apply this onto my face and then just blend it out using a beauty blender. So next we'll be taking my concealer. I didn't even realize that was upside down. I apologize. So I'm just gonna apply that onto my face and blend again. And then next thing we're gonna do is powder. I'm just going to be using this puff thing that comes with it and then try to blend it out. Screw it. I'm just going to go back with my beauty blender and then set this immediately. I normally don't bake because this tends to dry my face, so yeah. So after that's done, we're going to be moving on to the eyes. To start off, I will be using a light eyeshadow as a base for this eye look, just to make the pink shade more opaque that we're going to apply later on. Next, we will be using a magenta or fuchsia shade on the eyelids, and we're going to create a halo makeup for this look. I'm just going to be focusing on the inner and outer lid, leaving a gap in the middle since we're going to apply a shimmer shade later. As you guys notice, I'm using a light hand while reapplying the pink shade, and this will allow me to build up the intensity of the color. Also, this could easily blend the shades seamlessly without being too harsh. Apply this onto the lower lash line and just keep blending. Just gonna take this tan shade to warm up the color. So now we're gonna apply this coppery shade shimmer on the center of the lid. I'm using a variety of shimmers as well, so I can create dimension to achieve that halo effect. I'll be taking the Stila Magnificent Metals to further highlight the center. Also, do the same application on your lower lash line. So based on Jennie's makeup, I don't really see her wearing eyeliner, but I will be doing so anyways, since this is going to be an inspired look.
Girl, now I'm used to being the girl. You're sitting on your feelings and sitting on my throne. I ain't got no time for the troubles in your eyes. This time I'm only looking at me, myself, and I. I'ma do it on my own now. Now that you're alone, got you looking for a clone now. That's how I'm getting down, destined for the center crown. Sing it loud like.
Okay, so jumping off straight to contour, I'm just gonna contour my nose, Sorry guys, I don't have a proper sequence to this, so hope you guys bear with me. So I'm just gonna lightly contour my face because it is looking too flat, so I'm gonna do that now. And now for the highlight of this look. By doing that shimmery straight line on the center of the eyes, I'm actually going to start off by using a white eyeliner. Even though it looks like Jennie is just wearing a metallic or glittery eyeliner, I will be adding that on later anyways. So yeah, right here I'm just going to create that line. I actually find this quite complicated as the eyeliner was not drying out as quick as I expected, so this took me time. Also, it's quite difficult for me due to my eye shape, since I don't have enough space to further draw that eyeliner, unless I want to go over this through my brows, which we don't want, so yeah. Okay, so doing the same thing on the lower lash line as well. I'll be finishing this off camera and it should turn out like this. Okay, so I wasn't really satisfied with the eye makeup, so I'm gonna go back by adding a bit more shimmer by using this champagne or gold shade on the center of the lids and into the inner corners. After that, I'll be adding some natural looking falsies. You can also use mascara if you want. To finally finish off the eyes, I'm using a gold glitter liner to trace above that white liner that we just made earlier. So I'm just gonna apply that on top. And there you go. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Okay, so then lastly, I'm gonna apply mascara on the lower lashes, and that should be the eyes done. Moving on to lips, I didn't do that much on lip. I'll just be using a natural pink shade. And lastly, I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlight, and there we go. So here you go guys, this is my inspired Jennie look. I hope you guys enjoy. I know I'm not really a pro of makeup, but I'm just doing this for fun. So if you guys have any requests of any K-pop makeup or just any look, comment down below and I'll do my best to do them. Okay, so here's just a few montage of me trying to pose for this look. Cringy. Okay, whatever. Thank you for watching guys. If you want to follow me on my social media, I'll link them down below in the description box. And thanks again, and I'll see you next time.